I was scammed for my slime smoothie.
Don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count him.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I am so excited because as you can tell, I am doing a giant store-bought slime smoothie. It's definitely inspired by my friend Nicole Skies. She did this video and it was so cool. She was like up in the thumbnail, like kind of like I did. Love that girl. I will link her video down below for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below. Get this video to 10,000 thumbs up, like do it right now because I just started to like pose this, you know, commomulation, that's not a word, commomulation? Wow. I just tried to like make this giant array of slime together for you guys, so give it a thumbs up for more slime videos. Oh, just so you guys know, I am restocking my slime shop on this Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern time, and my slime shop is Slime by Jacklyne. I will have it linked down below, you guys. Go check it out. If I should post a restocking video to this channel or my vlog channel, comment down below. I would love to know from you guys, but I'm doing a Valentine's Day slime restock, so I'm very pumped for you guys to go check it out. So yeah, let's hop right into this giant slime smoothie video. Could I be more obnoxious? Yeah, I honestly could. If I touch the table and laugh, if I like touch the table and talk, it all like does this. Let's not fall down yet. Cool. Alright you guys, let's hop right into this video. Woo! So you guys, I literally have so much slime. I ordered it like mostly on Amazon because it was easier. So if it's like putty looking, it's not my fault. They claimed it was slime, so if it's putty, don't get mad at me. Like, I ordered slime, and if I get putty, what? I'm angry if I do. But let's just start off by adding these little like, this is like so stacked. Okay, there's this first one. It says it's dough, everyday dough. Okay, I ordered like 20 random slimes on Amazon, like it was called that, and I got this dough. Like, ew. You guys, I want you to comment down below right now what you think this will look like in the end. Like, what color do you predict this to look like? Because honestly, I don't know if this is gonna mix because it's like not normal slime. Like, it won't mix the same way. This is like chemical induced, you know? This one, glow in the dark slime. And it's like, literally, ew. It literally looks so weird. Oh, it's so, like it's strong, but it won't stop stretching. And oh, ew. Why does the slime always just like feel so gross? Like, everyone just thinks of slime as like Nickelodeon slime and how it's like just like slippery and gross. But there's like actually like different kinds of slime that I'm confused. This is so cool. Oh, this is like a nice, it's a good mix between the slime and a putty. It's definitely a putty though. Oh, it's so nice. I wanna like push my nails into it. Like, it's so cool. Great. How was your day, Nicole? I just smushed my fingers into slime all day, but it looks like a beaker of slime. Oh cool, I'm called a beaker slime. Guys, stop. No, it's just like falling. Dude, it is like stuck. It looks disgusting. Can you even play with that? It feels like, this is what I imagine like Nickelodeon slime to feel like, just super gross. Actually, when I got these, I poked them because I was like, puff slime, what's that? They're so fun. You're like, actually like, this is slime. This is what I'm talking about. Wait, can you do like a nice little like, we can do a nice little tear. Honestly, that's not bad for, it feels so weird. It's like, it has like a minor putty feel, but it's also literally, whoa, slimy. People that like first touch slime, they're like, Whoa! And you're like, what are you doing? Like, that's not how you do it. Oh, you can still like literally cringy, like, oh, like, if this. Me. Yellow. These feel so cool, you guys. Remind me to link down below where I got all these because they're really fun. If you guys want to buy a certain one, I'll have it linked down below. And they're all like super filled, like, oh, these are so pretty. It's such a nice clay texture. Like, these are for sure like buttery slime feeling, but they're also like, I cannot explain it to you guys, but it literally is so satisfying. Like, it makes it look prettier because they have these like actual slimes in it versus all these nasty little like putty. This do y'all see this nastiness? This slime is literally dried up. Was I scammed? I was scammed for my slime smoothie. I'm so mad right now. Do y'all see this nastiness? This slime is literally dried up. Was I scammed? I was scammed for my slime smoothie. I'm so mad right now. It literally is dried. Like, what? So like me, this is literally me after like, when it's like Friday and I've been in school the past 4 days and I want to cry. And like, I'm like, you know, I'm kind of like alive still, but I'm also like dead on the other end. So that's me. They're so much fun. I want to purchase more of these because they are so gorgeous. They're just like unlike anything I've ever felt before. I am linking down below these, okay? Like Amazon seller, you're welcome. They like kind of click too. Like they're not like clicky, but they're definitely like, they make a nice enough noise. Okay, I'm pretty positive that all of these are like, nice, are like putties, but we're gonna just like really fast, just like dump them out. To like show the little, cool. I'm gonna touch a little bit. This looks so pretty actually. It's like weird. It like sticks. This looks so gorgeous. Ew, it does not fit in my nail. Gross. Oh my gosh, I'm like, so satisfying. It hurts so hard. Oh my gosh. Oh, gross. This is like very satisfying to feel like. Oh my god. It hurts my nails. It bends them back. Wow, this looks so gorgeous. I'm like so entertained right now. Wow, great. I thought at first it wouldn't combine, but I kind of have like second thoughts. Right now, if you haven't already, comment down below what you think this color will be when it's done. I'm gonna predict it'll be like a gross purpley pink color, but I wanna hear what you guys think down below. If you haven't already given it a thumbs up, like it right now. 10,000 thumbs up, can we do it? We for sure can, like, help a girl out. I'm sitting here mixing slime for you guys, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna do a little fast time lapse for you guys, adding in this slime. Like, it never gets old. Like, I literally am entertained by slime all the time. Eggs. They're so cool. Like, they have little bubbles and they like, oh my god, my ASMR feels are everywhere. And these little like rolly things, they're like disgusting. This does not even tear. This is not even putty. This is just like gross. Gross. Wait, what's that from a movie where she's like, that's gross. They're literally called Super Cool Slime, the original. Feels wet and cold. If that's not appetizing to you, then I don't know what is, okay? Wow. I'm gonna find slime like in everything for the next week or so. I'm filming this in my kitchen, so like that's great. Ew. You guys, this slime has a pony in it. It has a little pony charm. We have charms in our slime, we have putty, we have foam. We literally have everything right now. Like, it's honestly so colorful. I'm so excited to combine this. We have this gorgeous slime smoothie, all store-bought. It literally smells like a chemical fest, so gonna wash my hands for like 10 minutes when I'm done. So I'm gonna just start mixing it, but I kind of want to add some like real borax on top just to like really like activate it. So I'm gonna add like a thin layer of some borax. I'm not sure, it's like, this is like, I don't know what people use when they sell like store-bought gooey slime, but it's probably not borax, but I'm gonna just try and like see what happens. Oh my gosh, look at my hand, like, ew, it's so gross. It feels so disgusting. It's like kind of combining, what? This is like, ew. Oh my god, I'm gonna like, it literally like, that looks so pretty. Oh my god. Whoa. So nasty. Like some of it is like so disgusting. Ew. Hey. Like I can't even, it's so hard, it's like putty. This is not gonna combine well. Maybe like this part has, it's like actually slime. Let's just like put that over there. What am I saying? That looks so gross. Oh, like how do you even combine this? It kind of looks kind of cool, like in a weird way. It's stuck to my hands, ew. Trying to like poke it, but it's not working. Whoa, that looks sweet. Like, the sounds. I'm shook. The sound coming out of this are making me want to like, I'm like cringing. This is not even doing anything. It's just like freaking not doing anything. Ew, it's so gross. Look at this slap. Hello. Ew. That's disgusting. My hands are so gross. Look at my nails are like sticking up. There's no words right here. Why is that so funny? I'm just like a little, boop. My arm like hurts from doing this, like a little, a horse thing. Okay. Hello. If I should do more slime kind of videos, subscribe down below for me. Help me get to 800,000. That would be freaking cool. I would be pretty pumped. And comment down below what I should do with this slime. So should I put it like in a tub and like, no, I don't know. Comment down below because this is like a disgusting masterpiece that I want to make use of, okay? But yeah guys, I'll see you with a new video very soon. Bye guys! Oh god, I just flung a bead off my nails. I need to vacuum my apartment ASAP. Rocky. Cool. Peace. Oh, my heart is in